The 2019 Zinc Die Casting Award for a part under 6 ounces goes to Lakeside Casting Solutions. And the nominee was Yager, and the customer is Lee Engineering. The part is a lattice connector. The material is a Zamak number 5. The weight is 1.6 ounces. The end market is the fixture industry. The function of the part is that they connect vertical and horizontal rods to assemble lattice supports for various lab operations, open throat construction, permit rods to be lifted without having to be pulled through the connectors. Setups can remain unchanged when transferring individual rods. The previous process to produce the part was a plastic, steel, and stainless for a similar product, but these materials offer a double slot design. The advantages gained: plastic, the comparative cost would be less for plastic, but the plastic lacks the strength and durability to allow for the double slot design cast into the connector. The steel is much higher cost for machining, so that's why the zinc die casting to produce this double slot design was a cost advantage. And that's the zinc die casting part.